This video will cover how to use an inventory data feed to create ads for all your products. While advertisers in different verticals like retail, auto, or real estate all have different types of product data, the setup process is always the same. The first step is to identify where Adacado will access your data feed. The file can either be on a hosted URL or an FTP account that requires login credentials. I'm going to use a Google Sheet to illustrate using a hosted URL. You simply copy and paste the URL into the field and click Fetch Sample. You'll need to identify how the data is delimited, which is most commonly going to be comma delimited. The system then pulls the data from your data feed and automatically maps the different attributes to the correct columns in your data feed. If you want to remove something, you can simply click the trash icon or drag and drop to put it back. The final step is to set the schedule for automated updates. You can set a specific time every day, or you can increase the update frequency to as much as hourly if needed. Once a schedule is set, scroll up to the top and click the Save button. You'll be directed to the Product Filters page. Applying data filters is an optional and more advanced feature, so we'll cover that in a separate video. For now, you can just click the Products tab on the left side of the page to see that all of your product data has been uploaded into the system.